Eric Kornecker with MMI. I'm standing in front of a Birmingham 4-foot by 10 gauge hydraulically powered box and pan or finger brake. The machine has 6-inch long fingers. The whole head of the machine with the fingers can move back and forth. Then it bends from the bottom up. The bending degree can be set. As I said, there's 6-inch fingers on the machine. If you notice, not all the fingers are here. The rest of the fingers are down in the base of the machine. This is the degree of bend control. You can preset it to the degree you want the metal to be bent. It'll go to that dimension and then go back to 1. This is the adjustment for the fingers front to back. Just a lead screw on each side of the machine, screw it in, it's going to go, the fingers are going to go further out, screw it back, they're going to come back. When inspecting a machine like this, you want to look for the bushings on the head to make sure they're not worn out. Next thing is look at the controls. On this machine, we do have manual push button and joystick controls up here and foot switch down below for bending. Next thing you want to look at is the bed itself and the ram to make sure they're both clean and straight with no nicks. If there's nicks on the bed or the ram, it's going to come out in your part when you do bend it. Last thing is look around the back of the machine. For the finger adjustments, front to back, to see if the lead screws are tight and not too loose. Last, look at the hydraulic unit in the base. Make sure there's no leaks and all the hoses are in good shape. That's everything you need to know about hydraulic box and pan or finger brakes.